Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup QuickBooks trial balance for CPA detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening QuickBooks on your computer. Navigate to the Reports menu located at the top of the interface. Select Accountant and Taxes from the drop-down options. Click on Trial Balance to generate the relevant report. Adjust the date range to the desired period for which you want to backup the trial balance. After confirming the date range, click on Run Report to generate the trial balance. Review the report to ensure that all necessary accounts and balances are included. Once you are satisfied with the report, look for the Export option. Choose Export to Excel to download the report in a spreadsheet format. Select the destination folder where you want to save the file. Rename the file if necessary for easy identification. Click Save to complete the export process. Open the saved Excel file to verify the data is accurate. If everything looks good, you can proceed to backup your QuickBooks company file. To do this, return to QuickBooks and navigate to the File menu. Select Backup Company from the drop-down. Choose Create Local Backup. In the window that appears, select Local Backup and click Options. Specify the location where you want to store the backup file. Decide whether to add a password for added security. Once the settings are configured, click OK. Then, click Next to continue with the backup process. Review the summary of your backup choices before finalizing. Click Save Backup to initiate the backup process. Wait for the system to complete the backup and provide confirmation. Once complete, locate the backup file in your specified folder. You now have a secure backup of your QuickBooks trial balance ready for your CPA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.